Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use CapCut templates in 2026. So whether you want to create TikTok videos, reels, shorts, slideshows, or trendy edits quickly, yeah, CapCut templates can save you a lot of editing time. First, open CapCut on your PC or mobile device and make sure you're connected to the internet. Next, open the templates section from the home page. This is where CapCut shows trending and ready-made video templates. You can now browse popular templates by category, trend, music style, or video type until you find one you like. You can still customize the template by changing text, music, filters, effects, or clip timing if needed. To make the video more unique, add captions, stickers, transitions, or extra effects from the editing tools. Once your template edit is ready, click Export and choose the video quality settings before saving the final video. After exporting, upload your video to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or other social media platforms. And that's basically how to use CapCut templates in 2026. Templates make editing much faster and easier while still helping your videos look trendy and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.